Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAPL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day on this one with earnings, and in trading terminology, what we would call a gap and trap. So what do I mean by that in case maybe you're new to the markets? Well, on Wednesday, the price closed right there, and then this morning, the price opened up there, hence what is known as a gap up. In this situation, a very big gap up. After the opening bell rang, things got pretty rough because the price went up, so behaved like it was going to be a good, strong day. A bunch of poor souls were buying up around here, and then from there, basically just straight down the rest of the day. So that is the gap and trap that's taking place here, which now brings about a couple of key areas of support. And the first area of support to now watch moving forward is going to be right there at the 133 mark. And 133, I'm not going to consider necessarily a must hold, but definitely down here at the 132.50 mark, because if 132.50 fails, the next level of support, and I'm not saying this is, going to automatically happen, but then not until all the way down there at the 131.50 mark. And I mean, how crazy would that be to have the price not that long ago, up around here, and then to have this thing roll back over and then be all the way down around there. Again, not saying that's what's going to occur, but just trying to illustrate why these areas of support right here are very, very important if the price does roll back over. But to be fair, as of now, there is a nice respectable bounce in the upwards direction. So if that bounce right there continues, where are some of these main areas of resistance at? And in my mind, the main area that I'm very curious about is this trend line right there. The trend line, as bizarre as it is, if you were to wipe away the gap up today, that trend line has done a fantastic job of forecasting where those sellers have been. So that's why in my mind, in the near term, that'll definitely be a very important and critical level to watch moving forward. So keep an eye on that. But yeah, overall, anyway, look at it. Savage day-to-day with the gap and trap, but we'll see how this one plays out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.